Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Cascading Style Sheets Introduction, part of Web Technologies course. Cascading Style Sheets, CSS, is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in a markup language. It is used to separate the presentation of a document from its structure, making it easier to maintain and update. CSS allows you to control the layout, color, font, and other visual aspects of a web page. It can be used to apply styles to individual elements on a web page or to entire pages or sections of a website. Here's an example of a simple CSS rule. This rule sets the color of all H1 elements to blue and the font size to 36 pixels. CSS rules consists of two parts: a selector, which specifies the HTML element or elements to which the rule applies, and a declaration, which specifies the styles to be applied to the selected elements. The declaration is enclosed in curly braces and consists of one or more property values, pairs, separated by semicolons. CSS can be added to an HTML document in three ways: inline styles, using the style attribute on HTML elements; internal style sheets, using the style element in the head section of the HTML document; external style sheets, using the link element in the head section of the HTML document that references a separate CSS file. CSS also has a feature called cascading, which means the styles are inherited from the parent elements to child elements. For example, if you set a color property on a body element, all the text in the body of the web page will inherit that color. This allows you to set the global styles for an entire website and then override those styles for specific elements as needed. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.